Hi everyone, myself Shreya. In today's lecture, I will be show the steps of how to uninstall a Flutter on Windows 10. Let's start the video. First, open the Android Studio. Then click on Configure. Then click on Plugins. Click on Install it. Click on Flutter plugin. Click on this arrow drop down menu and click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. Now open the Dart plugin and click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. Click on Restart IDE. Click on Restart. Now you can see create new Flutter project option is not seen. Close the screen. Open the File Explorer. Click on this PC. Open the C drive. Click on SRC folder when you extracted SDK file and click on Delete. Please like my video and share with your friends. It will take a time. Now close the screen. Type env in search bar and open the Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables. In User Variable, click on Path and click on Edit. Remove the path from C, SRC, Flutter and bin. Select the path and click on Delete. Click on OK. Click on OK and click on OK. We completed all these steps. I made a one Word file where I put all these steps. If you want this file, you can download from the description box. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.